The medical team aboard the galactic research vessel Curiosity had dissected over 300 sentient species across the known universe. Chief Medical Officer Trell considered himself unshockable after 50 cycles of xenobiological research. Yet, as he sliced through the epidermis of the first authorized human cadaver, even his professional composure faltered. "Record this," he instructed his assistant's voice wavering slightly. "The human body contains anomalies unlike anything documented in galactic medical literature. The human specimen, a male volunteer named James who had died of natural causes, at the respectable age of 92, lay on the examination table. His family had donated his body to interstellar science as part of the newly established knowledge exchange between Earth and the Galactic Federation. Trell's team consisted of the finest medical minds from 5 different species. Dr. Voss, with her 6 delicate manipulator limbs specialized in circulatory systems. Dr. Kep, whose homeworld had gravity 15 times that of Earth, focused on skeletal structures. The others specialized in neural networks, digestive processes, and cellular biology. "First observation," announced Trell, his 4 eyes blinking in sequence as he peered at the exposed tissues. "The human integumentary system appears simple, but contains an unprecedented density of nerve endings. Their pain threshold must be extraordinary." Dr. Voss moved closer. "Look at these capillaries, they're everywhere. The regenerative capacity implied by this vascular structure is," she paused, searching for the right word, "frightening." As they proceeded deeper, each discovery provoked more astonishment. The human liver could process toxins that would kill most species instantly. The kidneys filtered with remarkable efficiency. The digestive system could break down substances that would be considered poisons on most worlds. "Their omnivorous capabilities are unmatched," noted Dr. Len, the digestive specialist. "These enzymes can break down almost anything, organic. No wonder they can consume such a varied diet." But it was Dr. Kep's findings that truly stunned the team. "This skeletal structure," he said, manipulating a femur with reverence. "It's simultaneously rigid yet flexible, lightweight yet incredibly durable. And look at these break patterns. They're designed to snap in ways that can heal without intervention." Trell nodded slowly. "The historical records we received indicate humans frequently survived breaks of major bones without medical treatment. We assumed this was exaggeration." "It was not," replied Kep, placing the bone down gently. "Their bones literally re-knit themselves. Furthermore, look at these muscle attachment points. The leverage they provide. A human could lift several times their body weight if their nervous system didn't limit them." The neural specialist, Dr. Mira, had been unusually quiet. When she finally spoke, her voice was hushed. "Colleagues, the human brain is," she hesitated, "adaptable in ways that defy conventional evolutionary theory. Their neural plasticity should be impossible. They can recover from traumatic brain injuries that would be fatal to any of our species. And this region here," she indicated the frontal cortex, "shows signs of constant remodeling throughout their lifespan." "Meaning?" prompted Trell. "Meaning, they learn until they die. Their brains never stop changing. Most species reach neural maturity and stabilize. Humans never do." The medical team worked in silence for several hours, documenting every discovery with increasing awe. The human endocrine system could flood the body with compounds that temporarily granted incredible strength and speed. The immune system could adapt to fight almost any pathogen. Even the reproductive system showed remarkable efficiency compared to most spacefaring species. As they concluded the dissection, Trell gathered his team for final observations. "We came here expecting to study a relatively fragile species, based on their short lifespan and lack of natural defenses," he said slowly. "Instead, we found a biological masterpiece of adaptation." Dr. Voss shook her head in disbelief. "Their healing abilities alone would be considered miraculous on my world. A severed human finger can sometimes be reattached and regain function. How is this possible?" "Perhaps," suggested Dr. Mira, "it's because they evolved on a planet trying to kill them at every turn. Their world has thousands of predators, extreme weather, natural disasters, countless diseases. Yet they thrived. Dr. Kep nodded thoughtfully. What frightens me is not what they are, but what they might become. Their genome shows signs of being far more adaptable than it should be. They're still evolving, and quickly. Trell activated the final recording sequence. Conclusion of preliminary human dissection study. Contrary to initial assumptions, humans are not physically inferior to galactic standard. They lack natural weapons or defenses because they don't need them. Their entire body is a survival mechanism of extraordinary capability. He paused, then added, Additional note. The Federation Council should be informed immediately that human resilience has been vastly underestimated. Their ability to endure pain, recover from injury, adapt to hostile environments, and overcome biological limitations suggest they may be the most durable sentient species yet encountered. As the team prepared the remains for respectful return to Earth, Trell couldn't help but wonder what other surprises these strange beings might hold. In just 300 years, humans had gone from their first powered flight to joining the galactic community, an unprecedented leap that now seemed less surprising. They were, quite literally, built to overcome. Final recommendation, Trell recorded as they closed the laboratory. The previous classification of humans as a minor species should be immediately revised. They are not minor, they are simply young.